baby calm down, calm down, calm down. Let that baby calm down. Hey, calm down.
You know me like with the,
Hey, calm down.
you know me like with the video?
Hey.
You see a friend can block progress?
Where is it when I block progress?
Our two friend them. They were blocking progress. And you see what happened? As soon as they got their progression, and everything got progressive. You see what happens? You see,
I'm too young for them conversation area now. I am too young for these conversations.
Gentlemen, this is when you approach a young lady that you like and she have two friends. Get two of your
Come with your two friends.
Because oftentimes, it's lonely, them lonely too. But I love it.
Baby, calm down, calm down.
I like it.
It's a tune. It's a tune. I like it.
And
Yo, Afrobeats I go hard and
calm down or calm down. I know it's calm down, but it's accent. So
yes,
calm down.
Yes.
Calm down.
There was one song. Can I tell you? There was one song that says, you know what?
Chopping a VIP.
This time, let me be right back. We're talking tech with Radio Jamaica's presenter,
Carly Delion.
Hey, beautiful. Hi, she repping Valentine's Day.
Listen, I'll tell you in the break.
Yes, darling. Hello.
I can't say it, Carl. I can't.
We're so forward. We're so good.
Darling, calm down.
Calm down.